So I'm going to do the spicy noodle challenge with my sister. But I'm about to kill hers with pepper and she has no idea. I'm hiding. But I'm allowed you guys to see what I'm going to do because she's combing her hair. I so hope you guys can hear me. She's combing her hair and I am about to do the noodles. Alright, let's go. Hopefully I can get it to steam and take it out before she's ready. Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video, and from the title down below you already know what we're about to do, the hot noodle challenge. Bear in mind I don't like pepper, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Yeah, remember Kira, my sister.
Hey.
Yeah, so let's get into the video. Let's get into the video.
Me too.
Alright. Come now.
No.
It's a new pepper, and yeah, I'm not sure not nice. You need more pepper than that.
Me use the fucking. We milk eh?
Have some water.
We milk eh?
And drink milk.
Shop no like it.
Have some water. Have some water. Ready?
You feel like a candy? Well.
Alright, never. It's hot. Enough to make it cool first. Get it set.
We can always do the challenge game. Sure.
Duh.
No.
I'm not nothing nice. Your water door already. See that much water.
No. Shaker can't be doing that, Shaker. Wickedness this.
Water look red? Yeah. No, see. And I go free water. I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat this though.
You waste some money. You win by the now play.
Stop. Go.
I got this. I win.
I think you're too little.
Oh, cool. Get it with you.
Be careful. I'm
Win.
gonna throw up the water. That don't make sense.
No.
Why?
You make your belly a little night. Yeah, Will. Yeah, Will. My nose is up. Yeah, Will. Yeah. Come here, you have to teach me a skill, baby. Sharika. Mas a pizza stomach never chop. Maybe my God. My fuck.
Got water. More juice.
More milk.
Sugar, everything.
Sharika. You have to drink your water too, you know?
You eat that? I'm not ready for me to eat my maker.
Bumbo. Sharika, we You put me I see them too.
Guys, I won.
Kitty, man. Hola. Sharika, the wicked.
Finally, I won a challenge. Alright, that's what she thought we were doing. Look, all the photo I packed the paper. All the photos.
Sharika,
What are you said? Pepper would be there. Imagine you. Oh my god! Hey, I did free. You know when she mix it up, I say, Jesus Christ, she go see it. Only for bird, me. Now we are job, sir. Oh, gee. Guys, that is the end of her challenge.
no man, one tour for the day.
Nope.
Go on tour. Me I think about it, go on tour. You know me say me I go change something name.
Yeah, she said, which one I got? Which one I hear when I said the one with the iron fork? I gotta take the one with the iron fork. So I say, no man, oh shoot. So I say, okay then. So she like, oh alright, not gonna do it then. I got this.
Alright.
Thank you guys.
Katie?
Kaylee what? That is why I didn't want to do this challenge with Kaylee, because I couldn't do her that. Hungry belly. You know how long she want to do a food challenge? Anyway, watch me wipe my face with my hand and I use cut the pepper. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that little prank, her challenge. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.